Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to connect Pixelverse to Bitget. If you are into Web3 gaming and want to manage your Pixelverse asset efficiently, this video is for you. Pixelverse is a popular Web3 tap to earn game where can earn Pixfy tokens by engaging in various in-gaming activities. Bitget is a leading cryptocurrencies exchange that allow you to trade and manage your Pixify tokens securely. To connect the Pixelverse to the Bitget, you first need to have a Bitget account. To create a Bitget account, simply visit the Bitget website or download the Bitget app. Sign up with your email or phone number and follow the verification process. Once your account is set up, you can process to next step. To connect the Pixelverse to Bitget, you will need to transfer your Pixfy tokens from the game to your Bitget wallet. You can do this by accessing the Pixelverse game dashboard and navigating to the wallet section. From there, you can withdraw your Pixify token in a Bitget wallet using the provided address. Once your Pixify token are you in the Bitget wallet, you can trade them to other cryptocurrencies or hold them by future use. Bitget offers a secure and user-friendly platform for managing your crypto assets. And that's it. We had successfully connected the Pixelverse to Bitget. If you have any question and need further assistance, feel free to leave in comments below. Don't forget and like and subscribe for more tech related content. Thanks for watching.